First, you can choose your language, then click OK. After that, click Next. Then check your directory files. If you don't want to change it, click Next. And you can now proceed to installation. Click Yes. Then Yes again. Also, you can choose your shortcuts. Check it in the left side. After that, click Next. Please wait after the setup done. If it is done, click Finish. And the Oracle is now ready. Open any browser that you have and search Windows 10 ISO file. Click the first one that's recommended of Microsoft. Next one is find the download, the tool, and learn more, and check it. Back to the Oracle app, click New. Find the ISO image, then click the breakdown button at the right side. Find the other, then click. Then after that, find the file that you've downloaded on your browser that has file name Windows ISO and click it. In the name, type the name of your project file, like for example is the Windows. As you can see, there's a count of yours. You can configure the unattended guest or install by modified user, path and host name. And you can also see you can modify the virtual machine hardware by changing amount of RAM. You can change the base memory to 2348 MB.
After that, you can click Next. You can also add a virtual hard disk on the new machine. You can either create a new hard disk file or select an existing one. Then click Next. The following table summarizes the configuration you have chosen for the new virtual machine. Then click Finish. After that, digit the message logo at the upper right corner of the Oracle, click it and wait for powering setup done. Wait of a while until the setup done. Sign in and connect to Wi-Fi for PC setup.
A brief introduction is provided indicating that users will need to sign in and connect to Wi-Fi to prepare their PC for use. The speaker emphasized that this setup will enable users to accomplish their planned tasks effectively. Users are encouraged to utilize either voice commands or the keyboard during the setup process. The speaker also offers an option for users who prefer silence, instructing them to select the microphone icon located at the bottom of the screen to mute the assistant. Activate Assistive Screen Reader by pressing Windows, Control, and Enter keys. For those requiring assistive technology, the speaker provides introductions on how to activate the screen reader feature, known as Narrator. This can be done by pressing the Windows key, Control key, and Enter, simultaneously ensuring accessibility for users with visual impairments. Transition from introduction to main content. The speaker concludes the introductory remarks and transitions into the main content, inviting users to engage with the setup process. they pose a question regarding the use of different keyboard layouts, indicating a focus on customization and users' preferences. Inquiry about using another keyboard layout for typing. After the long setup, choose your language by setting a region. And also, you can choose another keyboard layout. And now, you can connect to Wi-Fi for more browsing and exploration. Thank you for listening and watching.